Let's see. Go far. Yeah.
Oh, they
Made a wave.
Yeah,
Next
I can make a wave, Chase. Hey, Chase, I can make a wave.
No.
Where did Jeremy go?
Get himself a drink.
Oh, they went home?
Yeah, they rode their bikes up to the house.
Give me five.
How much better he's got.
Yeah. Now you take a wave.
And a month ago, he wouldn't come in unless somebody was.
I know.
No.
Do a dive. Let him have one of those noodles to dive
I
on.
want to see you do jump over the
Jump
noodle.
over the noodle?
No.
Yeah, I'm going to watch.
I didn't even see one yet. Go ahead, jump over the noodle. The grandma.
I bet you can't do it.
You can't.
I bet you can't do it.
Yeah, he likes the big noodle.
Chase.
Let's see.
Chase.
Jump. I don't think you can do it. Don't do that one. He likes the tiny one. Go. Oh, no, the regular jump.
It was too close, that's why.
Chase, you want to do this one?
No, he likes the small one.
You like the tiny ones, right? The tiny ones.
Jump over it. Oh, he got stuck on that one. He went right through the leg.
Yeah. It got stuck.
He got stuck.
Yeah.
Jump on it.
I got no. I got over it.
Jump on it. Jump on
Tom.
it. Good one.
There you go. That was a good one, dude. That had style.
That's 2 thumbs.
Yeah. That one had style.
Yeah, I jumped over it.
You almost did.
Yeah, it was.
Almost.
Really closer.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
That's it.
Okay. Yeah, you're kicking them arms and them legs. You're getting it, buddy.
Yeah, he's swimming too.
You're getting that swim.